Hello everyone, this is Professor Harshada Raite and today we are going to see HR trends and especially we will be focusing on HR trends in year 2020. So before proceeding, we'd like to understand actually what is HR trend, that we say this is trending or this is going on. So at least what is trend? So according to me, trend in HR management tends to include relevant technologies, adapting new strategies, and changing to the changes taking place in business environment in respect of human resource in the organization. As technology advances and the best practices changes, so does the face of human resource. If you want to work efficiently while recruiting strong candidates and retain good employees, you need to keep up with the latest innovation. And this is nothing but a trend. Trends can be differentiated in technological HR trends, employee based HR trend, and recruitment HR trends. Firstly, let's see what is HR technological HR trends and mostly in year 2019 and 20. So the most important technological HR trend which has taken place is artificial intelligence. Nearly every industry uses artificial intelligence, that is AI, to simplify its processes. Human resource is not different. One of 2020's HR trend is incorporating more AI tools in everyday operations for better efficiency and workforce. For most companies, their first implementation of AI based HR tools is in talent acquisition. Companies that embrace AI will see significant reduction in time to hire and measurable improvements in the candidate's experience. Let us take an example that using chatbots to correspond with candidates will free up hours of HR time every week. So HR profession can use AI to verify experience and education listed on candidate's resume, spot behaviors that indicate and employee want to leave the company. HR can also use AI to manage employee performance, answer employees' HR question, customize suggestions for career paths, professional development options, etc. for every employee, and detect anomalies in behavior that could indicate time theft, corruption, or misconduct. And the uses of AI has been playing vital role for its popularity now all over the world and different fields along with HR. Next, most important technological trend is remote employees. People all over the world is working remotely and that the number has increased exponentially due to the outbreak of COVID-19. With so many people working from home, HR department face a unique set of challenge. For instance, let us say HR faces a problem like how to make employee feel a sense of company community, or how to manage employee productivity and morale. Even one of the challenges, how to operate when employees are located in different time zones and investigate concerns and complaints when you don't see the people in person. Remote work does have some upsides, HR manager says that it allows flexibility for employee scheduling, and it also expands the pool of talent which a company can hire from. Employees with no commute and more flexible hours are often more productive too. In addition, employees save money with remote staff, and even fewer in employee fewer in office employee means fewer perks, like for example snacks, closet, coffee machine, parking spots, and smaller offices with less overhead, fewer office space supplies to buy. So these are the benefits for HRs, and that's why it is trending most, remote work. The next trend in year 29 and 1920 is virtual team building. With employees located in different cities, states and countries, you can't rely on traditional team building activities. HR professionals have to get creative, offer virtual team building ideas to managers to help team bond. Some companies offers video call based activities where far from teammates can have fun together even though they are not physically together. This includes virtual versions of office Olympics and campfires. Few creative ideas to build virtual teams can be like tea versus coffee. Like each team member will receive a package of tea and coffee samples to test together during the virtual hangout, and they may rate which one is the best, like which tea is good or which coffee is good, or which will they prefer, tea or coffee. Next creative idea would be like museum hack. Museum hack is remote team learn. Museum hack is remote team learn storytelling skill in a fun or guided environment. The another or next HR trend in year 2019 and 20 is automation of task or automation. It is the most trending technology due to industry 4.0 and technological change and emerging new technologies. So we have a huge uptick in the technology that people in HR used to become more efficient and effective over the last several years. HR will continue to see the use of software to automate more and more HR tasks as 2020 continues. HR professionals have a lot to do and often not enough time to staff to complete it all. So reducing the workload by automating various tasks can be like for HR. It can be like payroll. We can also apply for billable time management, recruitment and onboarding, record management, or automation tasks for HR can be applied for employee benefit management, employee evaluations, and tax documentation. Another way to streamline processes is using case management system. HR case management software make it easy to track, manage, and resolve workplace incidents and misconduct quickly to improve operation, spot trends, and manage risk. So this was all about automation, and the next technological HR trend is data driven strategies. Like HR professionals have to make dozens of decisions every day, each one a choice that could potentially change the direction of the company. One have to accept or reject candidates, choose benefits plan and workplace perk, plan events and evaluate employees with no guidance except your instincts. Using matrices and analytics removes the guesswork, which is why it's one of the biggest HR trends today. There is a wealth of information that can be tracked and measured. The most successful companies in the coming decade will be those who figure out how to use this information most effectively. Companies use data driven HR strategies to choose candidates based on their performance capability, skill set, and potential to work for long term. Determine risk factors for leaving and eliminate them for better retention. Gather insights into how to better engage and motivate employees. Create training modules that adapt to the employee's learning style and pace. Find area of risk in organization and implement training to address them. Data driven strategies can also be used in multifaceted way in multiple strategy implementation in various areas of HR. These five are the most important trends in HR with respect to technology. Revising it, we'll again say it is artificial intelligence, then remote employees, virtual team building, automation, trend. We can see in employee based HR trends. And in that, first is employee learning. So in 2020, HR departments is focusing on helping employees achieve their learning goals. Whether it's personal or professional development, employees who feel their growth is supported by their employer will be more engaged, motivated, and productive. While professional growth and the development will continue to be important. Experts anticipate an increase in personal growth initiatives. The importance of personal growth in leadership development and the focus on purpose and the meaning at work will continue. HR can encourage employees to take control of their personal and professional learning path by these suggestions like first, offer annual education stipends, provide at least one annual professional development course for every employee or manager, add paid time off for volunteering and educational opportunities to employee leave allotment, or you can ask employee to share their professional and personal goals in their annual self-assessments. For this, even learning organization can be big support. Next emerging trend or the best trend in 2020 is onboarding. So companies are finally starting to recognize that they need to find adequately train and keep their employees because unemployment is at low. In short, businesses are growing to want to find the right people, train them well, and try to keep them given the lack of qualified and available employees. While it's every HR professional's goal to hire the perfect candidate for every position, you may have to make do when you are in a hurry to fill a goal. That's why updating old training program or Creating new one is key to modern onboarding process. Good training modules can fill in skill gaps candidates have when they first start working. Onboarding also takes more importance as certain jobs are eliminated. New technology is brought into a company and workers change positions. Not being just relying on day one orientation about company's history, HR must add elements to onboarding such as first, company's core values, the direction company is going in, annual organization goals, the company's vision as stated by CEO or other senior manager. This is all about onboarding. The next best HR trend is workplace experience. Rather than focusing on employee engagement, HR professionals should work towards a better employee experience. This HR trends shift away from paternalistic towards a more human-centric interaction, empowering employees and encouraging responsibilities. To achieve better employee experience, experts suggest focusing on some elements like first, purpose, which helps employees find purpose and meaning in their work. Second, autonomy, considering giving employee more say over how, when and where they work. And third, last, belonging. Find ways to include remote and freelance employees as well as those of different generations, ethnicity, gender identities, etc. Next is health advocacy programs. It is more trending in year 2020 because of COVID era. As the high cost of health insurance continues to challenge employer, more companies are turning to group high deductible health plans to contain cost. Because these types of benefit plans often require higher out of pocket cost for employees, they may need help navigating their healthcare choices. That's why including a health advocacy program in benefit plan can improve employees' experience. Advocates guide patients through their healthcare options, acting as liaisons with medical practitioners, financial advisors, and resource for medical questions and advice. These programs may actually save companies money by bringing health insurance costs down as employee becomes more knowledgeable about healthcare. HR professionals will also save time as they can redirect health insurance questions to an advocate. The next HR trend is caregiving benefits. As the world's population is aging, people have to juggle caring for an elderly or disabled family member with their job. Many caregivers stated that their responsibilities significantly affected their work. In 2020, HR department should adopt elder care benefit for employees. And because of COVID, it is more important to emphasize on family member health even irrespective of their age. By offering flexible work hours, remote work options, a care assistance plan to offset caregiving costs, or respite care to give employee time off from caregiving, and paid family leave. This is about caregiving benefit. The next best HR trend in employee based HR is inclusion. One of the 2020's HR trend will be concentrate on the inclusion aspect of diversity and inclusion program. As mentioned, a key part of improved employee experience is feeling of belonging to the group. HR department must find ways to build inclusion into the company culture for a more and more diverse workforce. Fostering a workplace culture that empowers employees to feel that they can show up to work and be themselves will become more vital as the line between work and life continue to blend together. So, revising, we can say that the most popular or most important employee based HR trend in 2019 and 20 is employee learning, better onboarding, workplace experience, health advocacy programs, and caregiving benefits. Now we will move. Next is recruitment HR trends. So in recruitment HR trend, first is open workforce. In order to find the best talent, many HR departments are turning to the open workforce, that is, hiring freelancers and independent contractors on an as needed basis. These non traditional employees can find skill gaps in house teams as well as pick up the slack when short handed. HR has to be innovative in their recruitment and retention efforts. More traditional recruitment strategies don't work for these new age of employees, like a mobile, multitasking, gig economy workforce. So, the most emerging trend in 2020 is open workforce. Next is candidate experience. One of the 2020's biggest HR trend is improving candidate experience during the recruitment process. With more open positions, companies have to fight for the best, most skilled candidates. One way to do that is to make the application process smoother. No more resumes and the cover letters. Instead, use applications that take just few minutes to fill out or that pull relevant information from applicants. If application process is too long or detailed, one could miss out one great candidate who are too busy to complete it. So, an increased focus on social media ads that promote open position to make finding job posting easier for candidates. Go where applicants are instead available or replying on them to find the company. Next, best HR trend under recruitment is pre-employment assessment. Relying on resumes and cover letters to determine a candidate's sustainability for position is become a thing of the past. In 2020, HR professional should craft pre-employment assessment to test applicant skills. Test the candidates before hiring them. That's why HR can hire based on the candidate's ability to get the job done and not the words on their resume. Candidates may lie about experience or get them help writing their resumes, but they can't plug an in-person or timed assessment. Work with the managers to create assessment for open position including skill test, personality test and aptitude test. The next emerging recruitment HR trend is recruitment marketing. Hiring the right people in 2020 requires reflection into who the company is as an employer. HR departments are now thinking strategically about their employee brand. To do this, use recruitment marketing. Recruitment marketing is similar to the traditional marketing process, but instead of trying to attract customers, you are attracting candidates. Unlike regular recruitment marketing is proactive and ongoing. Even if there are no open role at the company wants to communicate what it's like to work there through social media and blog. For instance, share video of employee talking about their experience as an employee or behind the scene photos of employee at work. HR and marketing department can collaborate to craft a communication strategies to share what it means to work for company. And the last recruitment HR trend is mobile friendly recruitment. Because of corona or COVID-19, we cannot go and physically attend the recruitment process. So in 2020, and we are using more and more technology. Even though the employees, the organization is shifting to technology or mobile, it is very important to have mobile friendly recruitment. In 2020, tech savvy job seekers will expect to be able to find jobs on their mobile devices and apply for on the go instead of having to wait to do so. Most adults have mobile devices and for some it's their only way to access the internet. As a result, a mobile friendly website is one of the most essential HR trend to follow. If it is slow, hard to read or difficult to use on mobile, HR risks losing out on qualified candidates who abandon the process. A mobile-friendly recruitment system also makes HR professional job easier. If HR needs to travel for work or have a long commute on public transit, he or she can still screen and communicate with the candidate. Despite the progress and evolution that occurred in HR sector over the last decade, these trends are still emerging. So revising quickly, we can say that following are the most emerging trends in recruitment HR. Open workforce, candidate experience, pre-employment assessment. Next, we will move to changes in HR trends in last decades. Now, despite the progress and evolution that occurred in HR sector over the last decade, 80% of respondents to a recent survey indicated that believe their company's HR skills are lacking. A major reason for that is it would seem stems from the fact that the companies are generally wary of change. An HR leader, for example, may be hesitant to embrace the new technology simply because they fear they will ultimately be putting themselves out of work. By investing in new HR technologies, the platforms, however, HR professionals can provide even more valuable services to their companies while improving team morale and by extension productivity. The few of changes in HR that have happened are as follows. The few changes, the first we can say employee engagement for employee productivity. Engaged employees are happier at work. They are more productive than their disengaged peers. When HR department focuses on increasing engagement, not only does the quality of work improve on companies-wide basis, employees are more likely to get along with one another. They will be in positive, helpful mood compared to disengaged employees who might have a hard time even cracking a smile. The next trend which has changed in last decade is creating team bond. A company culture describes its mission, belief, value, ethics and more. Cultures define what is expected from employees. Not only are employees who fit in with an organization's culture more motivated to do their best work, they are also more likely to believe in the work company is doing and treat customer with a serious level of respect. The stronger a culture is, the more likely employees to be happy, because happiness is directly related to productivity. Managers would be wise to focus enough resources on improving culture however they can. The next trend which has changed in last decade is talent management for employee retention. If HR wants to keep the best employees around, it is imperative that HR offer them the ability to acquire new skills and learn new things. HR can take them for granted and just assume that they will stick around forever. Even if HR think that their employees are all replaceable, HR should still be concerned with how much it costs to replace workers who take jobs elsewhere. Next change that has happened is very important, and that is social media and employee branding. Over the past few years, employee branding has got widespread attention. Everyone is doing it to some extent now, and the top companies with strong employee retention strategies all have a solid employee branding schemes in place, from showcasing the company's culture and values through regular blog posts to creating comprehensive program of promoting their workplace environment and team spirit. Next is workplace through analytics. This is the most trending HR strategy. Like, companies turn to reporting and real HR analytics to validate their work culture, retain employees and attract new hires with timely and efficient methods. They also use analytics to offer everything a team member need in order to deliver their best performance. As part of this, organizations are turning to connect their traditional methods to emerging tech to gather employee feedback. Monitoring analytics also help HR keep up with the status of his HR KPI. Do remember that it's not just employee performance and hiring capabilities you are tracking. So, these are all most emerging or changing trends in last decade. These are the references.